Hi all team. Today I am going to discuss a little question which is quite simple but for me because I am learning and I have solved it. So I try to describe it in my way. This is the question of the gigs for gigs and that has been asked in the Microsoft and Oracle. It is for DSA. So let's have a look. Given two integer arrays a1 and a2 of size n and m respectively, sorted out such that the relative position of elements, if it is I am going in the first array are the same as the elements in the second array. See examples for better understanding. If elements are repeated in the second array, consider their first occurrences only. So I am making the video we are having two arrays having the length like 11 and 4. Array 1 which is having something the data like 2 1 2 3 4, everything like in the integer form. In a real scenario it can be in any object form, and a2 having the different data. So a1 has to be sorted in the manner that it has to follow the sequence of a2, like 2 1 and 3. If it is coming, then first if 2 is present in a1, then it should come and their frequency should be repeated, like 2 has come for 2 times, so it should come for 2 times, so on for 1 and everything. And if everything is finished from that a2 side, then rest should be sorted as per normal, like ascending order. Like for a little more, like here there is nothing, then everything is sorted in the ascending order. And we have the constraint, like we have to always think as per the time complexity and log n time and auxiliary space. We should use on, that is the maximum. And the questions, like it is in Amazon and Microsoft, not in Oracle, sorry, and it is of the 4 marks. So how have I resolved? These are the driver. See, sort array having 2 data. So first of all, the logic, I have sorted first array normally, which is taking inbuilt arrays dot sort, and like Java, I am using Java 8. So internally they are using quick sort, merge sort. For large, for small, it can use insertion also, but mostly quick sort, and for large, merge sort. And at max they take n log n time as per the algorithm and data structure theory and the working. All language with the Python, Java, they use as such. Thereafter I have used linked-in hash map, means linked hash map, because of the ordering. Hash map has to be used for the spacing, otherwise it will take a lot of time. And after then I am using one for loop for on big of n time complexity, search for taking the frequency of data in the map. That's why I have used linked-in hash map. It could be reduced in a single line using Java 8, like get or default. Okay, but I am really bad with the syntax because I believe in logic rather than on the memorizing syntax. Thereafter again I am checking, if the particular data is on the A2 side, because I have found it with the hint they are also same. So we are just storing in the array. Why? Because this is the array that the user, the gigs for gigs code, they are asking to return. Because return type it's int array. I have stored it, and after then normally rest data, if it is going to be the 0, then I am removing, otherwise you can keep, not a big deal. And after then again I am checking if the count is greater than 0, means the value, then I am keeping it in the result array. That's it. I mean, it is really time consuming, but if we are understanding, then it is very easy question. But such questions are asked. And this was the result. like test cases passed 25 22 and full marks it has been taken. Time taken was 1.53. Again I can run in front of you, but it will take second time. Attempts 2 by 2. Time taken here is 1.67. So this is the thing. So according to me, in the digital sector, I mean in software sector, whatever someone is saying, AI is coming, languages are getting obsolete, and so on. But my basic thinking, I'm not the great guy, but according to me, I think logic still persists even after 100 years. If you are really good with the logic, forget about syntax, because I am going with the Java because I have worked in many companies like TCS, Infosys, so I am going with. Otherwise, Python is there, JavaScript is there. So many languages in the future, many other languages will develop. Like in deep learning, Python is highly used. But logic, you have to understand. Suppose if you want to create a self-driving car, and for this logic you are going to develop, language will be no barrier. You can learn within a month. In the future it will happen within a week, and even you can do the Google. Okay, so you can search. But what about logic? Logic thinking we have to develop, and that we have to focus. That's my thinking, and I think then company will also entertain such people. Then there won't be the shortages of jobs and work. So thank you. Bye.